So hello there, my name is Martin Bittencourt. I'm a trader and developer of trading stuff for MT5, and I'm here to present you with another of my creations, this time a commercial product that will be available in MT5's market. And this is the indicator Martinware Market Size Strength. You may download it in the MT5 market, then just drag and drop to the graph. This is the input parameters. We will have a closer look soon. And this is the initial appearance of this indicator. Now, as you may have noticed, it is an indicator of the same family of the Heiken-Ashi kind of indicator. That is, it aims to present, to show the candlesticks in a different way than the traditional one. The object here, the objective here, is to try to show the market size strength, as the name suggests, in a clearer way than what we can normally see with the traditional candlestick chart. It does so by dividing the candlestick in two areas, and the one will be the bullish or the buyer's seller area, and the other will be the bears or the seller's area. Normally in the default configuration, it does so by using four colors. One for a strong, a more considerable seller force, and one weaker, and also the same thing for the buyers. Here I have a red and a almost pink for the sellers, and strong green and light green for the buyers. So as you can see, we have situations here, for example, in this uptrend here, we have the buyer's area is stronger, and the criteria actually to distinguish between the strong color and the weak color is the position of the closing price relative to the previous close. So in here, for example, we had a close superior than the previous close, so we have the strong buy color. Here we have the opposite, so we had a weak buy color. Now, I myself don't actually use this indicator this way. I think it's a little bit more complicated. I developed it this way so to give people a little bit more freedom. The way I actually like to use is using only two colors, one for the bullish force and other for the bearish force. So let's change here the configurations parameters. Let's put it all green for the bullish force and all red for the selling force. There's a third color here, which is the white. We will see in a minute. So this is it. This is how I like to use it. And I think it shows in a clearer way the bullish force and the bearish force. So for example, here in this uptrend, we can see clearly the green area showed more predominantly. Here in the selling, this fall, we have the red color, the sell color, showed more predominantly. This is the indicator on its essence, and I think it's very good. I have been using it for a while, and I definitely love it compared to the candlestick. I think it shows the market size strength in a far clearer way. Now let's see the extra features this indicator has. Here in the first area, the area of appearance, we have the visions. The idea here is that I pick up each candle and I apply a Fibonacci on it. By applying the Fibonacci, I divided the candle in candles which show a strong bullish, just defined bullish direction, an undefined direction, a defined bearish direction, and a strong bearish direction. So you can choose here which kinds of candles will be normally shown and which will be negated by using that third color we selected here. So for example, let's suppose that you have a strategy where the only kind of candles that you are concerned are the actually strong ones. So you will put all this here false, putting the strong ones only to true, and here we have it. Now only those candles which show a strong bull force or a strong sell force, bear force, are shown. All others are put to the third color, in this case, white. So this, you'll be filtering your graph and only looking to the candles which you actually think are important for your trading strategy. Suppose, for example, that you want to operate only those candles which shows an undefined situation. The bullish and the bearish forces are equivalent. So you put all else false and you only put the undefined candles to true. And here we have it. Only those candles which show a balance between bears and bulls are shown. All others are put to the third column. This is the first kind of configuration that you can use. The other configuration you can use is as a bonus, which is to plot an internal plot, which can be used, for example, to draw a Fibonacci. So let's use here Fibonacci levels 38.2, 61.8, and here we have it. Now the candles, the MSS candles, have the Fibonacci plotted inside of them. If you use here the additional Fibonacci, you'll be able to see here that the marks coincide. This can be used by some strategies. For example, suppose that you like to operate in breakouts, but instead of entering exactly at the breakout, you always perceive that most of the times the price goes a little bit back before resuming to the main direction, and then you want to take advantage of that. Let's say you create a strategy where you actually are going to operate when it reaches the Fibonacci retraction of the candles. You can use this system for that kind of strategy. Okay, it's just a bonus, it's not the main attraction. The main attraction is actually to look at this graph and perceive in a very clear and straight and direct way which is the side of the market which is stronger at each candle's moment. So there we have it. This is Martinware's market side strength indicator. It will be available for purchase in the MT5's market. I hope you like it, and I hope it will serve you well in your trading life. Thank you.